Now we're going to be showing you the unboxing of the Govee Wi-Fi RGB LED strip light. It's got two rolls of strips which are approximately 16.4 feet in length. There's some script for installation and how it's to be done. What is the procedure to fit the strip lights on the wall. They do have these 3M stickers behind them which you can easily strip them off and place it on the wall. That's the power cable. It's got a connector on it. It's pretty good because it's got quite a big length where you can take it along the wall to take it up to your level of height you want, and you can place it that height. It's the other connector which connects to the two strips and also connects the other end to the power source. These are the clips for the strip lights which you can use to stick and secure in place using screws and 3M tape. Some promotional material from Govee and more additional script for warranty and stuff. So let's put this all aside and get back to the installation of our strip lights. So what we have done here now is just created a plan to measure the room around and see how the lights can be fixed on the wall. So temporary fitment is being done now by just using cello tape or a scotch tape just to see and measure and see all the LED strip light fits the room in the right place. Now we're going to install the Govee Home app from the Play Store. It's a pretty easy install. Just go into the Play Store and search for Govee Home and press install. Hello viewers, if you enjoyed watching the video, give it a thumbs up, follow the channel to support and encourage to make more DIY videos like this. Post your comments and feedbacks on what you would like to see. Thanks for watching.